Nava. Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a thrift video in a really long time. I have been thrifting quite a lot. I went thrifting in Chicago when I was there for the BTS tour. I also went to one of my favorite thrift stores out in Montclair recently, so I wanted to show you guys all the cool things that I got. We're gonna jump right into this haul because it's a big one. She's pretty big. However, I just wanted to mention, you guys probably have noticed the past couple of videos I haven't been using my this is my intro, that whole intro. I haven't been using it because YouTube has been cracking down on copyright music clips, even if they're 5 seconds. And unfortunately, mine is a copyrighted song by Paris. Bless her soul, she is a queen. I love her to death. You guys have any suggestions? Should I sing it myself? Should I just keep the click click boom? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments. I guess I just don't really need an intro, but I think intros are fun. So yeah, let me know. Anyways, let's jump into this haul. The first item that I want to show you guys is this plaid oversized blazer. I love it so much because it's lightweight. I did have shoulder pads on it and I did remove them because I'm just not a shoulder pad type of girl, if you know what I mean. Plus it's oversized, so it already looks pretty boxy. This is one of my favorite finds from the Montclair thrift store. 80s is one of my favorite decades of fashion. Surprisingly, I don't think I have that many 80s tops. I'm pretty sure someone from an 80s commercial probably wore this.
My name's Katrina. And my name is Hugh. I'm Sarah. I'm Emma. And I'm Jovi.
Okay, enough of that. I also picked up this Bon Jovi long sleeve shirt. It says Bon Jovi in the front and also has Bon Jovi and angel wings on the back as well. I don't have that many women's long sleeve t-shirts. I only have men's long sleeve t-shirts, and I just like that it was pink and it had angel wings. Yes, I do know who Bon Jovi is. I was born in the 90s, okay? I just had to put that disclaimer out because when I wore a Death Row shirt, people were like, oh my gosh, she's probably so young to know what Death Row is. She's wearing a Death Row shirt. She doesn't know who Death Row is. So another place that I picked up some thrifted items is ThredUp. ThredUp is literally the world's largest online thrift store. I obviously already cut the label out because I'm not gonna make that mistake twice, you know. They have all types of brands, all types of clothes, literally anything that you guys could think of for up to 90% off the retail price. A ton of you guys always ask me where I go thrifting, and I have in a previous YouTube video listed my favorite thrift stores in SoCal, mainly in the OC because that's where I grew up. But if you guys don't really have any thrift stores around your area, ThredUp is a great option because it's literally online thrifting. You don't have to drive anywhere. One of my favorite thrift stores is in Montclair. That's 45 minutes away from me. That's a drive. But if you guys shop at ThredUp, then you don't even have to leave your house. So thank you to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. As like a thank you from them to you guys, I guess you guys could put it. They're giving my viewers a special discount, which is 30% off your first order. All you have to do is click the link in my description box and use the code NAVA30. One of the items that I picked up from ThredUp is this short sleeve keyhole top. I love keyholes because I don't really have boobs, so if I ever want to wear a plunging type of top, it is really hard because it kind of falls over, but then it attaches at the top, so no nip slips, no nothing. This top is from the brand Page. Its estimated retail value is $95, and I got this top for $4 on ThredUp, which is such a steal. This top is just so cool. The neon trend isn't really something that I would wear quite often, but when I saw this sweater, for some reason, just needed to get it. And it's from the brand Current Mood, which is also sold on Dolls Kill. Estimated retail for this sweater would be $48, but I got it for $13. I support ThredUp because they definitely help with the problem of this industry being so wasteful. I know from being in the fashion industry, fashion and textile industry is a very wasteful industry, and it definitely adds to pollution. I think that's why I just love secondhand so much, because one man's trash is another man's treasure, aka another woman's neon sweater. So I just realized I look like Oscar the Grouch, but maybe his little sister. He would be my big brother, like trash and trash. Okay, this has to be my favorite item that I thrifted from ThredUp. Not that I need any more fur coats, but this one is different, I promise you. I think what sold me was the bell sleeves. How many thrift stores have you gone to and things are filtered? 0 of them. So with ThredUp, you could search your size, you could search brands, you could search by colors. ThredUp has so many clothes and it's really impossible to go through all of them. So I don't think I would have seen this coat if I didn't use the filters. So classic, so chic, so everything. Oh, also this jacket is from Blanc Noir? Noir, I think that's how you pronounce it. It was estimated to be $89 and I got it for $27. I also picked up this faux fur purse as well. Something just drew me to it, I think because it was covered in faux fur and I thought it was a pretty cool accent purse. This is from BCBG, estimated to be $60 and I got it for $12. This dress is also thrifted from ThredUp. It's a BCBG dress that's estimated to retail for $338 and girl, I got it for $27. It's definitely a 2000s dress, probably not in trend, but for some reason there's something about it that I just thought was so adorable and just so cute. I did grab some shoes from ThredUp. These ones are from Via Spiga. They have these cute little rose accents and I think the colors are just so adorable and so charming. These are estimated to be $225. Girl, I got them for only $20. That I think is so crazy. And the last item that I picked up from ThredUp is this plaid pleated skirt. Now I really like this because the pleats don't go all the way up. I don't really need any more skirts, but I feel like I should have more colored skirts in my skirt collection. Also, it's from Urban Outfitters. Also, it was estimated to be $45 and I only got it for $14. Okay, so this is one of my favorite finds from the past couple thrift trips. It's this hot pink jacket with gold studs and gold trimming and I absolutely freaking love it so much, obviously because I really love pink and I really love gold and I really love just old grandma 80s jackets. It's so my thing. These do have shoulder pads. Unfortunately, in order to take it off, I do have to like do an incision, sew it up, all that good stuff. I saw this in someone else's cart and I was like, oh my god, someone got that. But then when I was in line for the cash register, I was like, something in me just feels like that jacket is still out there on the racks. I left the cashier line just to do one more look. Lo and behold, it was there. My thrift spidey senses was tingling. I am so happy that I got it. And the great thing is they come with matching pants. I would probably wear these pants if they fit better, but they're just really big, so I might just donate these pants, but they're actually kind of cool. Yeah, I'm probably gonna keep them. Guys, I bought my first bucket hat. It was actually from the kids section, so I'm pretty sure this is a little boy's hat. But I thought it was pretty cool because it's baby blue and it's plaid. It reminds me of Clueless. I don't even know how I look in bucket hats. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this. But I mean, it doesn't hurt to just have it. I could use it for styling, maybe for something, who knows. I also thrifted this vintage printed blazer. This one also did have shoulder pads. It's still a little boxy even without the shoulder pads, but I don't mind it anyways. It's some kind of woven jacquard material. I'm not really sure, but I just absolutely love the print. I'm telling you guys, nowadays it's really hard to find anything vintage or that type of vibe because either a lot of people have already thrifted it, and along with the fact that time is moving on, so a lot of those things aren't really in the stores now. Unfortunately, you can't really thrift these kind of things anymore unless you get really lucky. It's probably a little too much for your typical person, but you know what? I ain't typical, so. Okay, I'm gonna make this one quick because I didn't have time to wash this one because it came straight from Chicago and it smells like a sweaty man. So anyways, I grew up with the brand Echo Unlimited. My sister found this when we were at the thrift store. I had to get it again just for old time's sake. Thought it was pretty cool. Gonna take this off now because it stinks. I also found this in the men's section. It's an oversized sweater that says Amsterdam. I think I liked it because it kind of reminded me of the Tommy Hilfiger sweatshirts. And yeah, I found this one in Chicago. I think it's pretty cool. I've had one cat in my life and it wasn't even my own, it was my sister's, but this shirt was just so funny and so cute and I just could not pass it up. It has these two kittens. It looks like they're hand pencil sketched. I definitely do not need another pink oversized shirt, but I don't have a reason why I couldn't pass it up, so. I also snagged this maxi skirt. Definitely looks like something maybe from the 90s or 2000s, who knows. I'm just a sucker for anything that fits at the thrift store. It's really hard to find my size at the thrift store. I look like I could wear this at a picnic. I probably will wear it the next time I go on a picnic because it's a cute outfit. This dress is also from BCBG. It is a little big on me, so what I'm planning to do is just like take it in. But look how cute it is once I do that. I kind of want to take out the bottom ruffle because too many ruffles and reason I look like a damn piñata. I think this will be such a cute look for summer, so I need to DIY it ASAP. I also picked up these strappy sandal heels when I was at the Chicago thrift store. I love these so much. I actually have something similar to this, but I think I will be giving those ones away and replacing it with these. I love the strappy detail. I think it looks so cute. So I found this one in the boys section in Chicago, and I was ideally going to bring up the waistband and make it into a crop sweater. It's just a red Nike hoodie. It says Nike in the front. Another one of my favorite finds are these pink high-waisted, I think they're supposed to be capris, but they fit me like pants. Anyways, I've been looking for a pair of hot pink pants too. Don't ask me why I've been looking for a pair of hot pink pants, but I'm so happy that I found them. My spider hasn't moved one bit. Are you alive? Hello? Tom? I have a spider named Tom, by the way. Like Tom Holland from Spider-Man. Alright, I'm gonna hold this skirt up because it's really big, as you guys can see. It's supposed to be like a micro mini skirt. I think that's what they're called. It's basically just a piece of fabric that I could probably DIY, but I'm not gonna do that. But I'd rather just make one stitch, one and done, and I have myself a micro mini skirt instead of making it from scratch. So the next thing that I thrifted is this pink or maybe peach houndstooth coat. Like I need any more coats. I've said that phrase so much in this video. I obviously do not need more clothes. Whatever. It's okay, they make me happy. I think it's perfect for summer too. Not only the color, but also it's lightweight and it just fits nice. Okay, so hello. The next top that I thrifted is this Bulgari. I know some people say Bulgari. I just don't know how to say it, so I'm gonna put it right here. Is this top fake? Probably, most likely. It wasn't in the nice clothing section either, so it most likely is fake. I just got it because I was like, oh, it might be real, it might not be real. Maybe the workers just didn't know who this designer was. Yeah, it might be fake because I don't even think they make clothes. So, but I think it's a pretty cool top. So this one is a short sleeve blazer, short sleeve top. I'm not really sure exactly what this is called, but I'm wearing it as a dress. I also thrifted this pink belt. They're not a set at all, but they just seem to go so well together. I liked it because of the color and the fit, and they also have these cute little roses on the lapel. Super cute. It reminds me of Jin's outfit from the Love Yourself tour, if you guys know what I'm talking about. I also want to show you guys the other non-clothing things that I bought because yes, I don't only buy clothes and shoes and purses when I go thrifting. I buy other stuff, okay? I got this Strawberry Shortcake VHS tape. Not gonna watch Strawberry Shortcake, but I mainly got it for the case because it's all pink. I thought it was pretty cool, so I might do something maybe like DIY decor. Does it smell like strawberries? You're freaking kidding. Literally kind of smells like strawberries. I don't know if it's because it was the owner prior or the VHS tapes just smell like strawberries. That was kind of weird. Anyways, I also picked up the Breakfast at Tiffany's VHS tape. I've actually never watched this movie before. I've always been wanting to. What better way to watch an old movie than on a VHS tape player? I do have a VHS player. I thrifted it from my 90s video. If you guys have not watched that, I will link it up here. They're both pink. I have a problem. Yeah, I do. Okay, so I also thrifted this top, and it's honestly such a basic top. It's just a black crop top with some buttons in the front. God knows, I really do not need any more black crop tops or clothes in general, but there's just something about this top I just really liked, and I think it might just be the really deep square neckline. Let me just sit you guys down and give you guys a real tip real quick. If you guys struggle with thrifting, as in like you buy way too many clothes like me, if you're on the fence with something, look at it and be like, if this top was at a boutique store for $100, maybe not $100, okay, maybe like $60, would you buy it? If the answer is no, then put it back on the rack. If it is absolutely yes, then you should buy it. Another piece I thrifted is this deep V polo shirt. I don't know why I picked this plaid skirt because I look like I'm going to school, so hold on. Okay, yeah, is this better? Not like a child in school. This is probably how I would imagine wearing this top. It's just different from your typical deep V. I don't know, the collar just seems more interesting than a regular deep V. And something that I have been wearing since my intro. I don't know why I didn't just introduce it then, but it's these white suspenders with gold trim on them. I get it, the suspender look isn't for everyone. Maybe I just like looking like an old man or something. It can add some type of accent to an already cool outfit. I don't know, who knows. Anyways, so I like suspenders. Yeah, and with that being said, that concludes my thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing all these cool things that I found. But yeah, so remember, try to shop secondhand, try to adopt and not shop. That's for pets, but it could also be the same for clothes as well if you think about it that way. Also, don't forget to check out Thread up. You guys could do so by clicking the link in my description box, and also don't forget to use your discount code NAVA30 for 30% off your first order. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at @TheNavaRose, and until next time, happy thrifting and happy second handing. Is that a word? I don't know. Bye! I love you guys. Bye!